We're here in Collegetown Center. We're on the third floor landing. You can see the elevator is here on our left. I want us to start by the elevator so you can see the position of the apartment that we're going to visit. We've turned around. There's one of the sets of stairs. We're going 2 doors down to apartment 328. So we're going towards the east end of the hallway. Here's the apartment, and let's go on in. This is an angle style apartment. We're here on the 3rd floor of this 6th floor building. Let's take a look. As we enter, you can see here's the kitchen, the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the microwave, the stove, and oven. And we have our cabinets and drawers. These kitchens are all pretty similar here in Collegetown Center. You can see that we have some space across from the kitchen. I think this is a good spot to put a narrow table, a shoe rack, or some other small storage for your use in the apartment. Let's go by the closet and take a look in there. We've got that hanging shelf and the shelf and hanging space. That's a good closet. As we go into the apartment, it's always the same furnishings. You'll have that dining table and chair, the dresser, the full-size bed, the tall bookshelf, the desk and chair. Let's take a look inside the bathroom. These bathrooms, again, will always be the same. You'll have that tub shower with the sliding door. There's the sink with the cabinet underneath, the large mirror, the light above the mirror, the toilet. There's a small cabinet on the wall that does open for more storage space, and we've got some towel racks as well. Let's go over and take a look out the window. So the main differences we'll find in the apartments will be the view and the position on the floor. So we're closer to the east side. You can see some great morning sun coming in. This angle shape to the window is what makes this apartment a little different. So all this shape, all this space where the angle is, all of that, that's the extra space that you would have in an angle style studio apartment, as well as the extra brightness. So you can see here it is morning. We've got some great morning sun coming in. We are on the south side of the building. That's away from the Dryden Road side, and the south will always be our sunnier side of the building. So you can see over to our left, that's looking towards the east, that's College Avenue over there. So you can see where we are, right in the center of our busy Collegetown neighborhood. And this is south, and over to our right is the west facing view. You can see another one of those angle style apartments right next to us and see how it protrudes a bit. Again, that's the extra space in an angle apartment. And there we go. So that is, oh, there's the air conditioner. We saw that under the window. And here's a heater. There are 2 styles of heaters here in Collegetown Center. They are typically in this position about a few feet in from 3 feet in from the window or thereabouts. So that's a look at Collegetown Center. We are in an angle style apartment on the 3rd floor of the 6th floor building, located here at 151 Dryden Road, just 1 block from campus.